Hi guys, my name's Elijah aka Michael, and he's gonna do the verdict doing the old original EAS test of Illinois monthly test, doing a new one EAS test. Sorry, the different I played in different the YouTube plays in different, so ignore that. So anyway, let's begin, shall we? Okay. Anyway, so I'm not gonna mute it. I'm not gonna get copyrighted by The Simpsons. I heard that you won't get copyrighted by The Simpsons. If you don't mute it, that's okay. So this time, just gonna unmute it. Okay.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
Okay. Let me switch the camera around, and we can talk about my reviews and tell me what you guys think. Okay, and tell me my verdict. Okay. Okay, do you want to hear my verdict? Let me turn on the light. Okay. So my verdict is the original EAS test. I like male voice better than female voice. The newest EAS test of Illinois, the female voice is okay. It's not as better as the male one. So my better off Illinois of EAS test. Gosh, what is it called? Male's voice. You better off listen to it. Okay. I know I can see some people who likes it, some people don't. Lots of people don't like it. So until next time, everybody, I'm gonna do the 8K version. See you on the next episode. Peace out, home dog.